How to fix Instagram feed not showing new posts. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Instagram feed not showing new posts. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. On the home page, you will find all the posts that your followings have posted. Now, reach your profile shown at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and check your followings. If you have less followings, go back to the home page. Refresh your home page to get more posts. On the top, tap on Instagram and select Followings. Here, you will find all the posts of your followings. You can also go to the App Store and search for the Instagram app. Update the app to use its latest versions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.